there! Welcome to Twinkle Kids TV! In today's video, Sarah is going to show us how to draw a really cool beach ball. It's short and sweet, but will look great on your summer drawings. Grab some paper and a pencil, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Are you ready? Let's go! Sarah starts by using a pencil because she'll rub these lines out in the end. Now, I bet you thought you'd start with a circle to draw a beach ball. But Sarah is drawing a square. Can you guess why? It's because drawing a circle can be pretty tricky, so Sarah can use the lines of the square to guide her. She's now drawing a cross that stretches across the square. These lines will be used to help you get the perspective of the beach ball right. Sarah is now going to switch to a black marker. You can too if you like. That's because the next lines you aren't going to rub out. You can now use the square and the cross as a guide to draw a perfect circle. See how Sarah is doing it? Easy, right? Next, Sarah is drawing another small circle in the top right corner. Can you do it exactly the same? Now switch back to your pencil because we're going to draw some more guidelines. Can you see how Sarah is drawing curved lines from the outside of the ball to the centre? She's following where the curve of a real ball would go. Now it's your turn. Draw about 7 lines, curving into the centre circle, trying to follow how the ball would curve. These lines are going to form the coloured sections of your beach ball. So, make sure you've got some cool coloured markers to finish it off with. Once you're happy with how your lines are positioned, trace the lines with your black marker. Make sure you don't draw the square though. Now, carefully rub out the square and guidelines. And it's time for the fun bit! Choose your favourite colours and finish off your wonderful bouncing beach ball. Great job!